Hello, everyone. This is your loving host and best-selling author, radio and TV personality, Dr. Rafshan Hashmi, live from the airport. And I am ready to board the flight, and I don't know what to say. I got help, with a wheelchair, and I came here comfortably. But the thing is that here, just see this. See this here. This is like you can relax here with your feet because I am kind of uh, semi disabled, and the disabled seats didn't have something to put your foot up, because I have to put my foot up in order for me for better blood circulation. So I would request President Trump and AG Bondi to look into the matter, that why these airports don't have for disabled people this kind of thing. And also I let me now show you, and also let me show you, like, for disabled people, let me go back. So now, folks, what I feel is that my stay there was not very good, very comfortable there. I'm a disabled person, and where I went, Texan Resort, there were a lot of poisonous insects there, and they were thrown at me, and illegal droning was done there. So, what are the rights? What are my constitutional rights as a disabled person? Why these drones and illegal clinical trials done on me? And of course, I want my salary because President Trump hired me in 2015, and I did not get my salary or compensation or my packet till now. The packet was dropped, on my table, and in 5 minutes it was picked up. So what is all this, nonsense, going on? What is all this nonsense? What is all this nonsense going on? I would like to know. And also, folks, there should be more facilities for disabled people, and I have been serving my nation honorably, and I hear so much of noise pollution, and if I say something, they come and they counter attack me, and there is so much of noise pollution. So what is all this, and where our nation is headed? I would like to know from President Trump and AG Bondi, that why so much crime is there, and I know they are doing their best, to curtail the crime, but still, and the rest I will talk to them privately. Having said that, folks, I'm sitting here, and this is Dr. Rafshan Hashmi, and I have two books: The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection and the Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And my flight was changed. I wanted a direct flight, and my flight was changed at the last moment, and at 2 in the night I got up, and then I asked them to change it at a more convenient time, and I was very, very sleepy and very, very dizzy, so I wanted the flight to be changed. So they changed the flight, but the layover is a lot. The last flight had 5 hours of layover. This one has 3 hours of layover. So as a disabled person, if you travel like for the whole time, you will be given this kind of treatment. Having said that, and uh, cheers and bye bye.